Okay, turn it on. So, where did you order this bike?
Canada.
In Canada?
Yeah.
And how much it cost?
$65,000.
How much?
$65,000.
$65,000.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Where do you live, by the way, here in Baku?
Very close to this vicinity, around here.
Around here.
Yeah.
So how long have you been living in Baku?
5 years.
5 years.
12.
12 years. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
I do.
Okay. Do you have Facebook?
I do, yeah. Of course.
Yeah. How can I find you on Facebook?
It's Alan.
Alan? Can you show us? Because I want to be friends with you, Alan.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm in great awe of this bike.
That's a bike.
Great one.
Very
Great.
good. I like it.
Kanada. 65.000 $. Well, I will find you on Facebook and will send you friend request.
What's your name?
My name is Saleh Nasiro.
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay.
Yeah.
I
have a lot of expat friends here,
Right.
because I am the member of the expat community.
That's very good.
Yeah, because and I have a lot of friends among the expats.
Super.
So I'll get in contact with you, and
problem.
maybe one day we can have a chance to ride this beast.
Okay.
How many horsepower?
124.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the
Okay,
engine is 1.113 inch. Like
Great.
1.9 cc.
Okay, Alan.
Thank you very
Bye-bye,
much.
Baka. Good luck to you.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.